Welcome back everybody. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a French press with a plunger. So take the plunger with me and let me show you how. All you need: freshly roasted coffee, a plunger, filtered water and a scale. So we start off by just bringing your water to the boil. If you use a kettle at home, just bring it to the boil, nothing fancy. I've got a thermometer and I'll be boiling it to 96 degrees. While we're waiting for the water, let me tell you a bit about the coffee. This is a single origin organic Peru and it's a medium roast. The grind you're looking for when making plunger coffee is not too coarse. Everyone always refers to coarse coffee. It still needs to be fine enough to have a good extraction. There's different levels when it comes to making a French press. You can overcomplicate it for yourself, but if you're at a camp and you just want a good cup of coffee, this is the method I'll be showing you. If you prefer drinking your French press with milk, I suggest heating up your press itself. So when the water is boiled, throw some water in, shake it around and throw it out, because otherwise when the coffee is steeping, it's going to cool down too much and you might end up with a cold cup of coffee. As well as warm up your milk if you can. French press. The ratio I use for French press is 75 grams of coffee to 1 liters of water. For today's French press, I'll be using a scale so I can get my ratio spot on. If you are in the field or you're somewhere where you don't have a scale, it's not the end of the world. I use 1 heaped tablespoon per cup and 1 for the pot. So if it is 4 cups you're making, it will be 4 heaped tablespoons plus 1 for the pot. That breaks down the ratios more or less to what I'll be using today anyway. Alright, so put your plunger on the scale, zero it, and then we'll add the amount of coffee we want. I'll be adding 60 grams. And then we zero it again. And we add our 96 degree filtered water. You want to pour the water reasonably fast so that you can submerge all the coffee grounds before letting it steep. To the 60 grams of coffee, we added 800 milliliters of water. We'll remove it from the scale and simply start the clock. We're going to let it steep for 4 minutes, not touching it. After 4 minutes, we're going to give the coffee a quick stir. That will allow the coffee sediment to go settle on the bottom. If you are particular with coffee particles in your coffee, or you're drinking it black and you don't want any of that coffee sediment in your coffee, simple trick: take 2 spoons and just scoop the top of the coffee. Once you've removed most of the top layer of the coffee, you're ready to plunge it. And that's it. Clean cup of coffee. If you like the coffee content, guys, please remember to like and subscribe and to click on the notification bell. Thank you very much and see you next time. Some exciting news: our new coffee website's just been launched. Please see the link in the description below. It's denvercoffeeroaster.co.za.